In this video, I'll guide you through how to reconcile Stripe in Xero. We'll walk through the basic workflow of taking a Stripe transaction that's come through your bank feed and turning it into a tidy reconciled entry in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click, what to type, and what to look out for so your Stripe income is recorded accurately. First, open your browser and go to Xero.com. Log into your Xero account the way you normally do. Once you're logged in and you're on the main dashboard, we'll head to the area where you do your bank reconciliations. From the main navigation, click on Home. This brings you to the Home dashboard where you can see your business bank accounts, credit cards, and other key balances. You should see a section called Business Bank Account or something similar depending on how your bank accounts are named in Xero. On the Business Bank Account panel, look for the option that says Reconcile Items and click it. This opens the reconciliation screen where Xero shows you the bank statement lines that have come in from your bank feed on the left and suggested matches or options for creating transactions on the right. Now, find the Stripe-related bank statement line that you want to reconcile. This will usually be a deposit from Stripe, often representing multiple customer payments minus Stripe fees. Click on that specific statement line to select it, and then click Create. This tells Xero you want to create a new transaction to match this bank line, rather than matching it to something that already exists. You'll now see fields labeled Who, What, and Why. These are the key details that describe the transaction in Xero. In the field labeled Who, enter the name of the contact you want to associate with this transaction. This might be Stripe as a clearing account contact or a specific customer if you're reconciling a direct payment. If you've used the contact before, Xero will suggest it as you type and you can click to select it. Keeping this consistent helps you report on income by contact later. Next, move to the field labeled What. This is where you select the account code from your chart of accounts. For Stripe deposits, this is usually an income or sales account, but it could also be a clearing account if you're using a more advanced setup. Click into the field, start typing the name of the account you want, and choose the correct one from the list. Make sure you pick an account that matches how you want this Stripe money to show up in your reports. Then fill in the field labeled Why. This is the description or narration for the transaction. Type a short, clear explanation, such as Stripe payout, along with a date range or reference that makes sense for you. This description will appear in your reports and transaction lists, so use wording that will still be meaningful when you look back at it in a few months. Once you've filled in who, what, and why, and you've checked that the amount and bank account are correct, you're ready to finalize it. Review everything briefly to make sure it matches the Stripe deposit on your bank statement. When you're happy with the details, click OK. Xero will create the transaction and reconcile it against that bank statement line. The Stripe payment is now properly recorded, and your bank reconciliation moves one step closer to being complete.